So today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. What you have to do is go to Google.com and simply search VirtualBox. And the first website most likely would be virtualbox.org. Click on here, then go to downloads. And the thing here is that if you are having 64-bit system, then you have to click on Windows hosts. Okay, and if you are having 32-bit system, then you have to go here VirtualBox 5.2 and you have to click on Windows hosts because this version is supported for Windows 32 um, 32-bit and not this version. Okay, so for 64-bit this latest version is working, and not for 32 and not for 32-bit. For 32-bit you have to go for 5.2. It is written here that this version is been discontinued. 5.2 will be supported till July 2020, but it still works. Okay. Okay. Now once your file gets downloaded, just open it, or you could find this file in your downloads. Okay. Now once you click over it, click next. Then again, no need to change anything. Keep as it is. Then next, and then say yes, and then install, and say yes again, and it would get installed on your computer. Right now, once or twice you would see this tab. Say it. Click on install. It won't create any problem. See here, this VirtualBox is getting installed. Okay? And click on finish. Yes, it is done. You have installed VirtualBox. This is how you would find VirtualBox. Okay, l- let me again show. Once you click on it, this is VirtualBox. So you have installed VirtualBox. Now you can use it. Uh, in next video, I would show you how to install Ubuntu over this VirtualBox. So subscribe and like the video.